All right, my friends, power is out, but yet my Wi-Fi is on. Why is my Wi-Fi on, you're asking? Because I have this inverter. All right, I got my Wi-Fi, I got that right there, and I got my battery. And so what happens is with Wi-Fi, when you have an inverter, see, no lights, no lights. But my Wi-Fi is on because I got an EverStart deep cycle battery. Now, this has only got 11.8 on the voltage, so I haven't charged that. But this is where I need to, I've been lacking on my preps. But you can see my Wi-Fi is working. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So hold on just a second. We're going to go to, I will show you. All right, let's go to DuckDuckGo. And let's go to Market Watch. We'll just say Market Watch. And lo and behold, look at that. GDP data show rebounding. Who would have thought? See, look at that. It's working because I got an inverter and I got a battery and I got some alligator clips. This is redneck engineering at its best. GDP data show U.S. economy grew at 33% in third quarter, but COVID's resurgence is threatening the recovery. So anyway, there's always a always a negative Nelly out there, but nothing else works. Now, I don't know. I haven't charged these batteries enough, so they're only at 11.8 volts, and they're 12-volt batteries. That's not good. You really want them to be a 13. What I'll probably do is I'll probably go start the car and charge them on the car engine because you have a battery, you have a generator in your car, and that's what I'll use here in just a second. But to charge them. But for now, we're good. We're good for Wi-Fi. So just FYI, you do have a battery bank in your home. It's called your car battery. You need an inverter, you need a couple cables, and a couple extension cords, and you are good to go. I'll see you.